Why do volcanoes erupt? The Tale of Lava Lou.
Deep under the ground lives a cute drop of magma. Hi there! I'm Lava Lou. I live in a hot, squishy part of the earth called the mantle. It's warm. It's wiggly. But I wonder what's up there. I want to see the world above, said Lava Lou, bouncing gently. It's getting really tight in here, said Lava Lou. That's because the pressure is building, said a nearby magma drop. Pressure? What's that? Asked Lava Lou, tilting his bubbly head. It's when we're being pushed and squished with no room to go, said another magma drop. It feels like we're about to pop, added one more. Whoa! What's that thick part above us? Asked Lava Lou. That's the crust, the hard shell on top of the earth, explained a wise old magma drop. And it's starting to crack, shouted another. Look at that, cried Lava Lou. The ground is shaking. That's because of the tectonic plates, said the wise magma drop. They move around and sometimes they break open the crust. And when that happens, said another drop, we can go up. I feel something. I'm being pushed, shouted Lava Lou. Hold on tight, Lou, called the others. The pressure is too much. We're going up. Up, up. I'm flying! Look at me! Yelled Lava Lou as he zoomed through the volcano's opening. I'm lava now, he cheered. I made it to the surface. Welcome to the top, Lava Lou, chirped a friendly bird flying nearby. I see trees. I see the sky. This is amazing, said Lava Lou. Let's remember what we found out, Lava Lou said with a big smile. Crust, the hard shell on the outside of Earth. Tectonic plates, giant rock pieces that slide around and can crack the crust. Mantle, the hot, squishy layer deep inside where the magma, live. Magma, melted rock that stays inside Earth. Pressure, the strong push that builds up and sends magma upward. Lava, the name for magma after it shoots out of a volcano. Okay, kids, before I go, let's remember how Lava Lou, got out. First, the magma was hot and under pressure. Then, the tectonic plates moved. A crack opened in the crust. Finally, Lava Lou, shot up and became lava. And that's how volcanoes erupt. Now you know. Thanks for coming on my journey, said Lava Lou with a big grin. Stay cool or hot like me.